Hi, this is Tony Johnson from Johnson Heating again for another tip. One of the tips we have are coming into air conditioning season, and the biggest tip I can give anybody for keeping a more efficient, better running air conditioning system is keep your unit clean. So there's two things you want to look for. One, you can look right down through the top and you can see how much debris that's fallen in from maybe last fall. You know, whether you cover your unit or don't cover your unit, there's a lot of things that can get inside of here and cause buildup of water and moisture, which in the long run can rot out your unit from the inside. We don't want that to happen. So take a look inside. If you notice on the bottom of your unit, there are going to be some weep holes in the bottom, maybe the size of a quarter or a little bit smaller, and that's to let the rain and everything that falls on the top or snow melt and go out the bottom. So we want to make sure that's happening. If it's not happening, we need to take the top off and clean that out. That's something you could do, or you can call us to do, of course, if you feel you're not comfortable to do that. The other thing is the air conditioner has to move air to keep your house cool and to stay efficient. It's like the radiator in your car. If your radiator gets plugged, it does not cool your car properly. So in the long run, to save that compressor, we don't want to ruin a compressor because that's the heart of the system. We want to keep airflow moving properly through this system. And all air conditioners, current air conditioners, now you may have a pre-1970 air conditioner that blows sideways, but all the current upflow air conditioners that has a fan on the top all suck the air in through the side and pull it out the top. So what you want to look at on this model here is I want to look at an angle in the fins, and I want to see cottonwood is a big deal in our area. And if cottonwood gets in there, it makes like a sheet and it covers over the whole fin package, and that makes your unit overheat. So you want to look in there and make sure you're not seeing all that debris build up. The other greatest tip I can give you is when you mow your yard, please turn your mower so it blows away from your air conditioner. What we find when we go and clean air conditioners is the first foot of your air conditioner can be completely plugged with grass clippings. You don't think about it, but it's really directly affecting your air conditioner. So two of the tips: check for that buildup on your unit, and then also blow your grass away from the system. The other thing is, if you're going to wash the system, it should be washed from the inside out because it gets sucked in and through. We want to push it back out the way it came in, so it's a better deal. And the best thing you can use to clean an air conditioner is just a plain old water hose and wash it off. Hopefully this tip will help you out for a more energy efficient air conditioning season. Thanks again from Johnson Heating.